Leishmania. Leishmania is a protozoan disease, comes under kingdom Protista. It is a hemoflagellate protozoan. Hem means blood, flagellate means it have flagella. It is a vector-borne disease. Causing vector name is called as Phliptomus or sandfly. It causing disease name is called as leishmaniasis. This visceral leishmaniasis causes Kala-Azar disease. It have two form, A mosquito form and pro mosquito form. A mosquito having nucleus, this also have nucleus, parabasal body, pleuroplast. But this one don't have flagella, this one have flagella. This A mastoplast found in human, this one found in inside of sandfly. This parabasal body and pleuroplast combination name is called as hypnoplast. Now classification of leishmania: old world leishmaniasis, new world leishmaniasis. This one found in India, new world leishmaniasis found in US. It causes two different type of leishmaniasis: visceral or Kala-Azar or dum-dum fever. Second one is cutaneous. This also having two types: visceral leishmaniasis and cutaneous or mucocutaneous leishmaniasis. And comparing to other species, this Leishmania donovani is very important one. We studied about this one only. This visceral leishmaniasis causing organism Listeria zooxanthi. This cutaneous causing organism Leishmania Mexican complex and Leishmania brasiliensis complex. These are found in US. Then Leishmania donovani history. Sir William Leishman 1900 observed this parasite in spleen smear of soldier who died of dum-dum fever or Kala-Azar at Dum-Dum, Calcutta. Same year, Donovan reported same parasite in spleen smear in Madras. So this parasite having both scientist name Leishmania donovani. Life cycle having two hosts, human and sandfly. Definitive host man, dog and other mammals. Why it is definitive host means here only sexual reproduction will occur. Then vector sandfly. Infective form pro mosquito form presented in midgut of female sandfly. Mode of transmission human acquired by bite of infected female sandfly. Can transmitted vertically from mother to fetus. Accidental inoculation in the lab. Now we see about that life cycle. Sandfly bite to human directly discharges pro mosquito form. Human having only a mosquito form, sandfly only having pro mosquito form. So it will transfer a mosquito form, that means egg form. It will enter to macrophytes, multiply and get released. Lot of A mosquitoes reach blood then all over the body. Because blood will circulate all over the body, it will enter liver, spleen, bone marrow, etc. Now new sandfly take blood from this infected human. This A mosquitoes transferred into pro mosquito form. Then it will produce the binary fission, more number of pro mosquito form. It will enter anterior end of midgut of this sandfly. Then it will fight to human. Then this cycle will repeat. Now we see about pathogenesis. Kala-Azar, it causes reticuloendotheliosis, that means proof of pathogenic symptom. Blackhead of reticuloendothelial system, skin become dry, rough, darky pigment, hair become thin, extreme weight loss. It causes enlargement of spleen, liver, it will affect bone marrow, lymph nodes. It causes severe anemia, also causes leukopenia and thermocytopenia. These both condition, leukopenia means less number of WPC. Thrombocytopenia means less number of platelet. This both condition name is called as pancytopenia. Suppose the patient did not take any treatment. Death will cause within 2 years due to some other reasons such as dysentery, diarrhea, tuberculosis. Post-causal terminal leishmaniasis causes deep pigment macules, erythematous patches, butterfly distribution, and nodular lesion. Now we see about laboratory diagnosis of leishmaniasis. Direct method and indirect method. Direct method having 3 method, indirect having 5 method. Direct method, first one is demonstration of LD bodies or A mosquito in macrophages and extracellular. That means after bite, sandfly macrophages produced more number of A mosquito. By using blood smear, we observed that A mosquito or LD bodies. These macrophages will produce the A mosquitoes by using leishmania or Giemsa staining. Second one is culturing method, demonstrate pro-mosquito form. Here we are using 2 different type of medium, NNN medium. This one is containing rabbit blood agar slab. Second one is Senator liquid medium with fetal calf serum. Third one is animal inoculation. Here we are using Chinese golden hamster or mice. This both method, stain, that's smear method and animal inoculation method, we observed A mosquito form. Culturing method, we observed pro mosquito form. Then indirect method, first one is serological diagnosis method. Direct method, we observed organism. Indirect method, we observed antibody. First one is antibody detection by using ELISA test. This one is antibody detection. This one is antigen detection. Antigen detection by using complement fixation test, WKK antigen. Then indirect immunofluorescent antibody test. Then counter immunoelectrophoresis ELISA test. Then ICT using RK39 antigen. This type of antigen we are using serological test. Then molecular diagnosis, DNA proof and PCR. Non-specific serum test, Neiffer aldehyde or Formogel test. Neiffer aldehyde test, we are taking patient serum, adder, Formogel. White color indicate positive, that patient having hypergammaglobulinemia. This one is used for visceral identification, not in cutaneous leishmaniasis identification, because cutaneous leishmaniasis absent in gamma globulinemia. Then skin test, leishmanian test. Here we are injecting killed pro-mosquito suspension. This one is the delayed hypersensitivity type. Then blood picture shows anemia, progressive leukopenia, reverse albumin globulin ratio, hypergammaglobulinemia. Then treatment, pentavalent antimonial component, amphotericin B, paromomycin, miltomycin test. Then prophylaxis, all preventive method we use here, early detection and treatment of all cases. Then we are using insecticidal spraying method to reduce the sandfly population.